Thank you for scheduling your 15-minute appointment. I look forward to getting to know you. I want to give you a few things to do to make sure you get the most out of our time together. Number one, for our meeting, please make sure you're in front of a computer and not on your phone. The meeting will be hard to go through on a phone because I will have visuals to make sure we're on the same page. Number two, make sure you're in a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. This will be really tough to do if you're distracted and interrupted by others. Thirdly, please have your schedule available because if our meeting goes well, I'll schedule a follow-up with you where we can talk about how we can serve you. But if not, I'll still be able to share resources, so it'll be in your best interest to have your calendar if our conversation goes well. Lastly, go to the bottom of this page and view every testimonial video if you can. These are different people who have gotten something from our program, so that way you understand our culture, what we do for people, and it may help you understand if you are a good fit culturally with our organization. See you soon.